Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today we're going to be doing a haul. I actually got this merchandise in November, but life and how things have it, I'm getting to it now. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that way you get alerts whenever I upload new content. And yes, this is a haul from my little scrapbook store, one of my favorite places to shop online. So come join me and see all the goodies. So what we have, we're going to start with, sorry about the paint. I had been painting at work and I got home and I wanted to share with you guys what came in. So I got the Distress inks, or the Distress new color, the Villainous Potion, in I think everything. The only thing I didn't get was the refills, or the ink refills, and I'm okay with that. The next thing I got was a Distress glitter. I think one is tinsel. I forget what the other one is. But these are loose glitters, so you can mix them in or like sprinkle them over like embossing paste or stuff like that. I got this seasonal sequin mix from Picket Fence. And I got the new Katherine Puller inks, including Midnight. So we got Glam, Uptown. We got the Martini and the Glitz. And then Dress Blues, Flame, and Cranberry Fizz, and Deck the Halls. And then these, I thought they were like little stickers, but I think you can basically, make them into stickers. You just have to trim them. But I do my own labeling system, so I probably won't be using those, but I wanted to get them just in case. I love those little stickers. And then, of course, I had to get Vicki Bhutan's, that's the watercolor palette that was supposed to come out before, so I wound up getting it. And this new stencil from Katherine Puller, which is gorgeous. It's so hard to see it inside the packaging, so that's why I had it out right away. And then the big thing I wanted to get was, of course, the Vicki Bhutan collection for Fernwood. So these are the thickers. It's showing you can color those. I got two of the word stickers or puffy stickers. I always get two because these in black and some of the colors can always work with different collections. I got both sets of stencils because I love her stencils. I love these flowers. This one almost looks like a cable knit. And then that big fern with the different butterflies, and it's huge. I love it. I also got the stamps. Now, Vicki Bhutan stamps are very inexpensive. So if you're someone who wants to get started in collecting stamps and doing card making or anything like that, I would highly suggest her stamps. Only because, I mean, you're saving a lot of money and they're still good quality pictures. I also got the washi tape that goes with the collection. I always hem and haw about the washi tape, but this time I said I'm getting it all. We got the specialty paper. I love these butterflies, and of course I got two. You can't have just one. All right, and then I got the Happy Scrappy bag, and I got the separate paper, because what Michelle does is she puts single sheets in the Happy Scrappy bag, and then I always get the second sheet in the individual sheets, so you only get one in those. So I always get the Happy Scrappy bag and then the additional paper pack on the side, I guess you would say. And so we're just going through all the papers, because I'm definitely one of those people like that. I love that, right? But if I'm going to use the back, I can't if you only get the one sheet. So I always have to get two. That way I can justify, cutting into one and still having one sheet left. I love those leaves. Now this sheet right here, I wish I had like 500 because it's so pretty. And then, of course, we get the cut aparts. Nice, simple black and white on the back. And then these 3x4 cards. I love that polka dot. And then you get tags and strips. Now, let me tell you, I love Vicki Bhutan's class that she teaches. So getting these collections like this from Michelle is so great because when Vicki has her classes, all you have to do is sign up for the access and you have everything. You get so much in the Happy Scrappy Bag. You'll see in a second. So there's we're still going, y'all. There's still more papers and we haven't doubled. There's so many in this collection. And I know, like, for some people, you may not like all the papers or all the B-sides, but I'm telling you, if you ever get a chance, take the whole kit, take her class. It's a weekend. You do a book, you do layouts. Oh my God, there's so much. And I love this one. It looks like a bandana. Love it. Pretty yellow. Look at the cameras. We can cut those up. Oh, love that. And then the circles. I love the circles. And you can cut them in half where they're like two different patterns and like create little half circles. And look at that. Oh, I just can't. I just can't. If you can't tell, I'm really excited about this collection. So then that's all the papers. And then, like I told you, you get the 2 in each. Okay. Now we're going to go for the other pieces. This is, I think, the sticker sheet. And then you get the chipboard. Yep, that's a chipboard. Elements. And there's gnomes. Oh my God. This collection. I just love it. Okay. Also in the scrappy bag, I get another thickers, which is great because, like I said, these are plain, so you can dress them for any collection you're using. Are you serious? Like, come on. Everyone should be buying those stickers up. And then look at the elements, or I think these are called the die cuts. I can't remember. But I know there's all different kinds. So like now these are tags and there's banners and journaling cards, all kinds of stuff in this one. The other one was more like flowers and gnomes and butterflies. We get the sticker book. Okay. And the sticker book, there's 2 sheets. Words, circles, tags, dates, little, oh my God. It's like, oh my. I love those rulers. I never thought I would, but like some of her accessory stuff is starting to grow on me. I love those. So I got 2. And then you get the butterflies, which are 3D, so you can like fluff them up. You get little mini, like, what are those called? Not foam. I can't remember. But you also get the keychain. I think I was kind of holding that up. But you just get so much stuff in that scrappy bag. And then Michelle has everything else too. So you can get everything. Come on. You can get everything. So definitely, if you're interested in Vicki Bhutan's Fernwood, head on over to my little scrapbook store. I will put a link down below. Get as much as you can. You will not regret it. And I also will have a link down below that will allow you, if you're a first-time shopper, to get 10% off for the month of December. Okay, so you can click on that link, go shop, and have a good time. So thank you guys for joining me, and I hope you have a great day.